Hello traders, today is the 5th day in a row using the At the Open 2 system. Let's find out if we can beat the market 5 days in a row using the At the Open 2. Alright, it's day number 5. If you want to see what happened on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, watch the previous video. I'll put the link in the description so you can see the results of the last 4 days. On day 5, Friday, we're going to look at the next opportunity. I want to be 5 days in a row successful using this price action strategy. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So we're using the E-mini S&P. I'm using a 1-minute chart. I'm using NinjaTrader. You could use TradingView. You can use really any charting platform that you like, but we have the software for the NinjaTrader and for TradingView. Now we include this with Mentorship, so if you have accelerated Mentorship, add the At the Open 2 to your chart, the software, and you'll see the same signals as what I'm going to show you and what has happened. Now, with price action, it means you can trade any market. So if you're not interested in the E-mini S&P and you want to trade stocks or Forex or CFD, fantastic. There's a short signal here, 54.14 on the E-mini S&P. Now you could use a limit order. I prefer limit orders. You can use a market order. You can wait until it retraces a little bit. The goal here is to go short. That's the At the Open signal. Now the software actually gives you two signals. We have one called the main signal, which is this is the main signal. We also have what's called the chase the trade. The chase the trade, basically if the market starts to run away from you, you can try to catch it as it's moving with higher volatility, higher momentum. Usually we take one or the other. We don't take both. So right now it's just the At the Open short 54.14. Very simple, specific, objective. This is where I want to be short. The next thing we look at is the targets and the stops. Take a look at this orange line called the ATR. Every charting platform has the ATR, the average true range. The ATR tells me what to expect. How much profit, how much stop. This is how we regulate ourselves and we adapt to slow versus fast market conditions. In this example, because the ATR is 3 points, I could expect between 2 and 3 points. So $100, $150, I think that's a good, reasonable expectation on this trade. If the market's slower, you take a smaller profit target. If the market's more volatile, sure, take a larger profit target. So it's dynamic and adaptive. This is one of the most important things I think traders forget to understand when they place or enter into a trade. The targets and the stops can't be the same. They have to be relative to the current conditions. In this case, it's a live trade. It's not market replay. I'm going to upload this video in the next 15 minutes so everyone can access this on our blog, on YouTube. The other thing I do want to mention is that on Fridays, we have live training for anyone who has mentorship or the roadmap or the Trade Scalper. So this is really important. We want to provide you with the proper instruction to understand how these methods work, whether you're using it on the E-mini or the Dow or the NASDAQ or currencies. All right, there's the target of 2.5 to 3 points. Now you can trail a stop. We include a trailing and stop instruction in video as well as a few other bonuses with the At the Open 2. But for our purposes and for me, I want to be in, I want to be out, I want to be done early. It's a once and done trade for the day. It's for those people who don't have a lot of time in the day or during the day. They just want to take a quick trade in the morning. Usually within the first 2.5 hours is what I recommend, and you're finished. So within the first few hours of the session, you get in, you get out, and you go on with the rest of your day. It's great for beginners. It could trade on any market, and it's also based on price action. So there's no indicators. You can see that there's no moving averages. There's no momentum or MACDs or Bollinger Bands or it's nothing. It's just price action trading at its best. Again, we include this with accelerated mentorship. And if you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the next video. We have some more videos coming up on using price action. Until next time, good trading.